Well, the next chance of any significant rain here is Thursday evening, early Thursday night. For tonight through tomorrow morning, just like nuisance kind of mist. Every now and then a few sprinkles, nothing more than that. But gray skies out there right now. We'll get to our local forecast. First, the wider view of the Caribbean, Jamaica, and Cuba. And Melissa getting ready to make a second landfall on the eastern tip of Cuba. We'll play this back, and you can see the eye actually trying to redevelop a little bit, not as well defined as it was this morning when it made landfall as a Category 5 storm. In fact, we'll take another closer look. And you can see the eye of the storm when it was powerful, making landfall this morning, sort of disappeared as it moved over land, now kind of reappearing south of Cuba and getting ready to make landfall in the eastern tip of Cuba as a Category 4 storm. This has been the track so far. There's the landfall on the very far west side of Jamaica and now approaching the eastern tip of Cuba. Winds now sustained at 130, moving northeast at 9. The forecast by tomorrow afternoon, taking it in the southern Bahamas as a Category 3 hurricane, a major storm, continues to move north and east, eventually making an impact on Bermuda by Thursday night. In the meantime, this is Thursday morning. Here's the East Coast and southern New England. Melissa, out in the central Atlantic, we have an approaching system, a front with some downpours and thunder, which is set to arrive here, I would say after 5 or 6 o'clock Thursday evening, Thursday night. Now, technically, Melissa, the storm itself stays offshore. It's not making landfall on the East Coast. But some of its tropical moisture will get infused into this system, kind of fuel it up as far as bringing heavy rain here Thursday night, some downpours, some gusty wind, and some thunder, and then all of that lifting out to the north and east with drier air arriving by Friday morning and Friday afternoon. Friday's a drier day, but it's very windy. Closer to home, we've got low clouds and it's breezy and cool. You got a few raindrops or like sprinkles on the camera lens in New Bedford. Again, there's no steady or heavy rain, at least not yet. It's in the upper 40s in most areas, 49 Providence, 50 New Bedford. You see in the satellite photo a few little speckles of green indicating a little bit of drizzle. There is a storm system to our south. Where is it? Right in here. It's moving away. It's not impacting our weather directly, but it's helping to produce that northeasterly wind and bringing in some of that ocean air across southern New England. We'll switch over into the future, move ahead to overnight into tomorrow morning, starting off with clouds, maybe a few sprinkles, breezy and cool. I think more clouds than sun throughout the afternoon. And again, don't expect widespread heavy rain and umbrellas and puddles, just sprinkles every now and then, nothing more than that. Mainly cloudy tomorrow evening, fairly quiet. Now, the first half of Thursday, this is all the way up until Thursday, 12 noon, looking okay. But watch the area of very heavy rain, thunder, and wind approaching by Thursday evening, 6 o'clock. Thursday night, downpours potential is there for 1 to 3 inches of rain, and then the whole thing will shift offshore. So by Friday, things are drying out, but it's a very windy day, but dry for the trick-or-treaters on Friday evening. Tomorrow morning is just kind of gray and cool with some occasional sprinkles and mist. 7-day forecast showing that heavier rain and wind Thursday evening, Thursday night. It's out of here on Friday. While Friday's a dry day, it is quite windy, but at least it's dry. Weekend still looks good. Partly sunny skies, seasonably cool Saturday and Sunday with daytime highs mid and upper 50s. And before bed Saturday night, we set that clock back 1 hour. Next chance of any legitimate storminess here would be Thursday night.
You should getting rid of the rain for trick-or-treaters on Friday.
Yeah, good timing. Weekend looks good. Patriots game looks dry.
So, all right, yeah. Jody, thanks. Coming up next in sports.